Hey guys, Cera Coated Munitions with a product review video. Hey guys, before the segment today, I wanted to clear some stuff up. The models that I'm going to be showing you here in a second are the only ones that I have in store. So they do have a lot more models and different options on CobraTecKnives.com, so you guys can definitely check those out. I do want to show you briefly the boxes that most of them come with. The majority of the knives do come in a hard case like this, where you have the CobraTec logo, the lifetime warranty name on it. They do have little latches on there, soft foam on the inside, which is pretty cool. They do come with sheaths that do fit your knife appropriately, and underneath the foam they have the warranty card, the quality control card or quality check card that is also in there, so you know that it was checked by somebody, not just a machine, which is pretty nice. And then some of the boxes are like this little cardboard one where they'll fit in, so this is for that folder we're going to be showing you here in a minute. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and stay safe out there. Thank you. Alright guys, so we got some other knives here in the shop. We've had them in the shop for a while, and I haven't done a review video, and I don't understand why I have not done that. They just dropped off some more of their knives last night, one of them being a newer folder, which I'm going to show you here in a moment. But let's just start with their lesser expensive guys, going all the way up and showing you the differences and what I like in comparison to some of the other features. So first off, we're going to look at the lightweight, and these are all from CobraTec. So CobraTec is a company that is made out of Texas. Okay, so this is a lightweight knife. These ones I think retail for $89. Yeah, $89. These are really cool. These are out the front, and these are not switchblades, so these are very legal, at least here in the state of Nevada, for the time being. Some states they are not, like California, that are next to us, and so on and so forth. So this one is made out of like an aircraft style aluminum with a D2 style blade. So they do come with different blades. This was just the particular one I grabbed off the shelf, and they also come in different colors. The colors do change periodically, which is pretty cool. I like the fact that they do change that, and like I said, they have that D2 steel there. So that is the lightweight. Very nice little knife, very fast. Very nice wide blade, and the clip is definitely pretty nice and tight on there as well. They have a lifetime warranty on them, on all their knives. As long as you don't do anything stupid with them, they pretty much warranty it, which is pretty cool. But I had to get my knife personally warranted twice. So the first time, the switch was not working, it was really stiff, and I did get that replaced. I actually injured myself because of that. Happens. And then the second time, the spring mechanism broke, so it's all right. They replaced it pretty much for free. Pretty cool. So that is again the lightweight. So moving on up from that, we're gonna go look at the Fang series. So the Fangs come in 3 different sizes. So the first Fang we're gonna show you, or FS3 design, has the CobraTec logo with some nice little lines on it. Depending on the coating or the paint that they use, they do feel a little different. And I got a couple different colors here, just in the different sizes. And then this is the blade design I chose for that one. This is the double serrated. This is my favorite blade design. It is also in D2 steel, which is pretty cool. The lightweight is the only one that does not have the glass breaker on there as well. The glass breaker is dull to the touch, which is kind of nice in case you do have in your pocket. You don't stab yourself a lot, which my hands are big and they don't fit in my pocket too well sometimes with a blade in there. So this guy is pretty neat. Being small, being pretty lightweight, it is more of a steel housing, which makes it a little heavier. And this one retails for about $119. So there's the small. Next up, we're going to do the medium. So the medium, you can't really see the logo on this, but all the fangs are the same as far as the design on the frame itself. So there's your glass breaker and your clip, which I had that laser engraved over there. And then you have the blade. Okay, boom. So this is a Tonto blade, not serrated. Nice. I like the mediums. Mostly I like the mediums because the belt clip and the smalls, because the belt clip does have a little extra notch. I'll show you on the large here. And when I put my hand in my pocket, the large actually cuts me a little bit. It grabs my skin, and I'm not a really big fan of it. So that is the medium, and you can see the differences as far as size goes. So right about there, boom. Pretty decent size difference. And then we'll go to the large. So just another paint scheme they have. This is that little clip I was talking about. So I don't know if you guys could see that or not. That little guy right there. But that guy can grab you. Okay. And then here's the Tonto serrated blade, one of my other favorite blades that they have, which is really good. So that is the large, and let's do a size comparison between the medium. So boom, not much difference. And then with the small, big difference. So they also come Cera Coated. So these are like a paint type design that they throw on there, almost like a what do they call the type where you throw in the water? I can't think of it at the moment. But they do have a Cerakote type design. So this is one of my personal ones. This is a medium, where it has the Punisher blue line and the blue line on the back. Okay, with my favorite blade being the double-sided serrated. So that's my personal one. I like that one. And in the larges, they have the blue lines, the red lines. Okay. They're in the Fang series. This is the double, not serrated, just a double blade, double serrated blade. Here is the Deadpool. This is one of my favorite ones. I need to have one of these ones. So here's a Deadpool knife. So the Deadpool knife, if you see that, there's the stabby end. It does say Deadpool on there with the little Deadpool logo. It does say property of Mr. Pool right there. I think it says no touchy, no touchy. This side says chimichanga on it. And then you have, this is my on switch, which happens to be that guy. Pow! And then you have the CobraTec knives makes me tingly. So he gets spider tingles, just like Spider-Man. And then there's a little Deadpool guy there too, which is pretty cool. So as you notice, the belt clips do come off. They're not hard to come off, and it's not like they're designed to come off that easy. This one, it looks like they just put it together, and I want to make sure that guy's tight, so I'll actually tighten that after this video. Other than that, mine never comes loose. I do check it periodically because I put it in my pant every day, and every once in a while I just make sure it's tight, just like anything else. I don't have a Punisher one, but I do have a Jolly Roger. So this is one of the other Cera-coated ones. You know, my favorite blade design. So that one's pretty cool. So those are the Fang series. They do have CTKs, which I don't have those. They're a little different. I think they're original design, if I remember right. We usually carry those in the American flag type, but I don't have any of those right now. And then another one I don't have, there's a couple of them, because they came out with some new models, and some models they just haven't been able to get parts for. Thanks, Corona. by like the Karambit and stuff. So we're going to move on to the aluminum series. This is the FX. So the FX, you can notice that there's chevrons on here instead of like the lines that sweep down on it. It is made out of aluminum. It is very lightweight. I also like the switch. So the switch itself is very grippy as opposed to the texture on the Fang series. So they're a lot grippier, gives you a little bit more, I think, control over the mechanism itself. And that is the small. So it is about the same size, if not the same size as the Fang. A lot difference in weight though. Okay. So depending on what size you want, here's the medium with a Tonto. These also come in different colors. I want to say it's 5 colors for the FXs. I'm probably wrong, so don't quote me on that. And then here is the large FX, okay? And again, there's not going to be any differences as far as that go. They actually take the same blade, which is cool. There's just a little bit of design difference in the actual carrier itself, or the blade, or the knife. So, let's see here. The new one, this is the one I'm really excited about. So, this particular one, this is a folder. It's an auto folder from them. Okay, so you got G10 style grips. Nice little belt clip there. Really strong. Okay. You have a lock right here where you have a safety. So red is obviously going to work. 0 is not. This is your release button. So right now I have it on safe mode. Once I push this down, so I'm going to put this in my hand because it is pretty strong. Just push the button, boom. This is pretty strong as it's coming out. Okay, I don't know if you saw it moving, so let's see if I can get it to move. So you can actually see the handle move my hand. I'm just barely holding on to it. So it is a pretty strong spring force. Okay, and we go boom, like that. This is a stone washed D2 style steel. Nice little edge on the back. And the lock works here as well as it does closed. So that is your action button not working. Move that safety down and it will go back into it, and you can lock it to be safe in your pocket. So this particular one, I would definitely leave it locked in my pocket, pull out the disconnect your safety, and then be able to use it. The other cool part about this is spring mechanism being auto-ish, right? I could blow through the mechanism or clean it out if I get debris or anything else in here. The one downfall about these auto knives is that if anything whatsoever gets inside that little area right there, whether it be lint, dirt, whatever, it could cause an issue with the mechanism. As what most of the failures are for these is because people actually use them as knives. Where I tend to, like my Punisher knife, this is what I call my dinner knife. So I have a lot of knives, and this particular one I only usually use on special occasions because I love the Punisher and I like this knife, and it was expensive. So another one that they offer, they just came out with, are these little serrated pen knives, and I grabbed one of the new colors that they brought me. So it's kind of a cute little camo. They are functional too, so hello. So they are functional pens, and see, look, be a little hand puppet. Anyway, it is a functional pen. It's just a roller, and they do have a little ink vial in it. So I think it's those little miniature pens. I think you can get refillables on YouTube, on Amazon for pretty cheap, and they come in different colors. I just grabbed 2 of them. They used to not have the serrated blade, so the added part of the serrated blade is pretty nice. I do like that, and they are fairly sharp. These are about 15 bucks. So I actually apologize. I stopped telling you guys the price after the small Fang. So the small Fang is $119. I want to say the medium's about $129. The large Fang is $139. The Cera Coats are all like $194. A little bit more work goes into those ones. Okay. I want to say this one's like $179, $159 for that one. For the medium FX, and the large FX was the more expensive one, and then the $139 is for the small, being it's made out of aluminum, a little bit more pricey. And then, if I did not say this one already, this is like 15 bucks. So, the next one I want to showcase to you is another personal one of mine. It's called the Renegade. So this is their fixed blade. Okay. So it does got a G10 style grip. It's a little slippery for my taste, but I think I'm gonna kind of roughen it up for myself since this is my knife. I did get this one personally, buy this. It has a really nice spine on it. I definitely want to do a separate review video for this one, for going out in the wilderness, doing some bushcraft stuff with it, doing a little, making fire kindling, all that other fun stuff. So want to definitely use that for this. Has a nice little area so you can, or to where you have the ability to actually tie this to yourself so you don't lose it. I do like the fact that it does come with some sort of cordage, so you can design it yourself, or you can make it yourself as well. The sheath is actually really nice. It has a belt loop on it, and the lock, you can't hear it that well probably, but it does click in there very well. It doesn't give you a like nice click noise, but it does go in pretty good. And then it has that follow up for the strap itself. So this knife is pretty cool, but like I said, I definitely wanted to showcase this guy. This is the guy I didn't mention, the Renegade too. The Renegade was a little over 100 bucks, which isn't bad for a big fixed blade, considering when I get these ones from Battle Box, and this one, I can't remember, but this is a Fox blade. This was over 100 bucks. You know what I mean? So that one's a little over 100 bucks. This particular folder, okay, the thing I like about it the most is the price. So besides all the cool features, the price of this thing's really nice. This is only $50, okay? This is $50 on CobraTec's website here at the store. We do sell CobraTec. We do help with the warranty process, either getting it to our reps, which is Star Tactical. Thank you for the shirt. Or Star City Tactical, my fault. Still getting used to the name, as it used to be different. And I read only part of my titty. So, yeah, that's how it happens. But yeah, 50 bucks for this thing. It's intense. We only got 2 of these things. Got rid of one right as we got it. So it's our last one. Plan on getting a bunch more. Hopefully we can get more of them soon. So you guys could definitely check these out here at the store, man. But other than that, I hope you guys like this video. It's a little different. I want to do more of these product review videos. If you guys want to see more in depth in one of these particular knives, definitely let me know down in the comments. One thing I gotta show you. Hold on a second. I didn't bring the stuffed animal in the back, but I gotta show you the safety mechanism. I got ahead of myself before. So, large knife, okay, toilet paper. If this is your leg or your body, it will only just the tip. I didn't wear just the tip shirt today. I wore their shirt today. So, as you can see, the blade is now dead, right? To reset that, I just flip the wrist, or, let me kill it again. I could grab it on the front and the back. Obviously, don't grab the blade part. Want to make sure I'm clear on that. So you're gonna grab the dull sides, okay, the flat sides of the blade, and you're just gonna pull until it goes click, and then you're able to use it again. Okay, so reason why they're illegal is they're not switch blades. Switch blades don't have safety mechanisms in it. These ones do. So this poor toilet paper roll's got feelings. I hope that also answers some questions on that, because I was a little fearful having this in my pocket at first, thinking my hands are big, it's gonna hit the little switch inside my pocket, and there's blood stuff in my leg, I'm sure. So didn't want to do that. Other than that, like I said, if you guys want to see more in-depth video on any one of these products or other products like this that we have here, or if I can get it, I'll definitely look into doing that, or get to do that for you guys. I do have some more review videos coming, just have to find time to get them done. So other than that, again, Hope all is well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell thingy, all that other fun stuff. And take care, guys. Thank you.